Hi, I'm Andy, and this is my lesson on operator precedence in Java. In this lesson, I'll show you how to use the rules of operator precedence to determine the result of a complicated mathematical expression. Let's get started. Let's look at this program, in particular this line of code right here. We want to predict what this complicated expression evaluates to. In order to do so, we need to understand operator precedence in Java, the order in which various mathematical operations execute. Now, before I go on, let me just say that this is some really bad code. It's bad code because whoever's reading my code is going to have to think really hard about operator precedence in Java while analyzing it. You always want to write code that is as easy as possible for others to read and understand. That being said, sometimes we will encounter confusing lines of code like this, and we will need to analyze them successfully. To do so, we need to mentally do the mathematical operations in the order shown in this chart. Let's do that. The first thing to get evaluated is this set of parentheses. That evaluates to 10. Then this cast turns the integer 25 into the double 25.0. Now we do multiplication, division, and modulo in the order in which they occur as we read the expression from left to right. Remember that anytime a double is involved in an operation, the result of that operation is also a double. Lastly, we do addition and subtraction and get our final value for this expression. That value is then stored in answer. So it looks like this line of code should print out the value 11.5. Let's check. Okay, so that's the basic process. Before wrapping up, let's try another one. Try to figure out what this program will print out. Hopefully you got that one right. If not, here's some parentheses to help you see more explicitly the order in which the operations happen. As you can see, these parentheses are really helpful in understanding the code. For this reason, you should get in the habit of adding parentheses to expressions like this whenever you think it'll help a reader understand your code better. And that wraps up this lesson on operator precedence in Java. I'm Andy. Thanks for watching and coding with me today.